Hello guys, today I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to find the best PS4 discount codes to save on your favorite games. So method 1 is by surfing on Reddit. So in this Reddit post, one user said Sony occasionally sends out discount codes to users and that's one way to get them. Another thing you can do is to look for deals on PSN wallet top-ups. And they said that for instance in the UK, there are a few sites that sell them at a discount. So you can usually get £70 credit for £60. Method 2. PSN newsletter 20% discount. If you haven't received the PSN newsletter email titled What's New, there's a quick fix. Fire up your PS4 and head to Settings, then click on Account Management. Go into Account Information, sign in again, and do the following. After your email address and before the add plus PSN. For example, if your email was crash123@gmail.com, the email you would put in would be crash123 plus psn@gmail.com. That way, you are subscribed to PSN newsletter for exclusive discounts. So basically, that's it.